scum on top of that Marlboro pack.
I don't care. My roll pack. It's not even. If it was full, I wouldn't even take it.
Okay, Joey, I think you should stop and just let Christian do it because...
Motherfucker.
Dude, if 2 people have it on the internet, that's not...
Dude, I'm not gonna stick it on the internet.
Oh, okay. Alright. Let me think of a good one to do. Should I do Fire to the Rain?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can do it.
Just do it.
Dude, I would do it if I knew how to do it. I'm gonna do it. Okay.
Yeah. Sick.
Give it a shot.
Okay.
You do this. You see this clip like that?
What?
They do that shit?
Yeah. There's some people that are hellish.
Yeah.